Custom Diamond Painting by Jerilynn and Debbie Sopko. Wedding Anniversary version 1 special treatment starts with snow pearls in squares. Since this is a square diamond painting, we have filled in the words Disneyland, 58th Wedding Anniversary 2019. All in square snow pearls, and this is for version 1 of Wedding Anniversary. Debbie and Jerilynn's parents. Wedding Anniversary version 2 special treatment now adds gold crystals that we have used to outline the round emblem on the wall behind them. So simply place some gold crystals in that area. Wedding Anniversary Custom Diamond Painting version 3 special treatment now adds chili pearls in squares that we've sprinkled on the mother's handbag, as well as electric diamonds placed on the lamp.